Hi everyone, this is the fourth class in the series continuing with common idioms and phrases. All Greek to me. Used to say that you do not understand. I don't understand anything the teacher said. It was all Greek to me. At the drop of a hat. Willing to do something immediately. My boss expects me to do anything he asks at the drop of a hat. Between a rock and a hard place. Stuck between two very bad options. I couldn't make up my mind. I was caught between a rock and a hard place. Start from scratch. To restart from the beginning. There was a problem with the software, so we'll have to start from scratch. Rome wasn't built in a day. It takes time to accomplish something. Don't be so upset about your progress. Rome wasn't built in a day. On the same page. When multiple people all agree on the same thing. I want to make sure that we're all on the same page before we proceed. Hold your horses. Be patient. Hold your horses. You might see a cheaper one in a different store. Hit the nail on the head. Do or say something exactly right. You hit the nail on the head when you said that Douglas was too lazy to find a job. Fuddy-duddy. An old-fashioned person with an out-of-date way of thinking. My dad is a bit of a fuddy-duddy. He doesn't even know how to open an email. Drive someone up the wall. To irritate or annoy someone. Madeline drives me up the wall with her constant complaining. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Don't assume something will happen until you're sure of it. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Let's wait to see what happens tomorrow. Blood is thicker than water. Family are more important than anything else. Pick up your sister from school before you go out with your friends. Remember, blood is thicker than water. A blessing in disguise. Something good that isn't immediately obvious. The traffic jam was a blessing in disguise. There was a robbery at the bank just before I arrived. Level playing field. A fair competition where no side has an advantage. The government regulations are intended to make sure all businesses start on a level playing field. A doubting Thomas. A skeptical person who needs empirical evidence in order to believe something. Arthur is such a doubting Thomas. He didn't believe the deal was done until he saw the contract. Spitting image. The exact likeness or kind. Reuben is the spitting image of his father. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.